Hey, what's up guys? Alex of Bay Cities Construction. Hey, I'm over here at our house in beautiful Torrance, California. Real nice day. I want to show you what we've done so far with the flooring. Let's go in here real quick. It's a little noisy out here, so watch this. We're going to shut the door. See how quiet that got? It's because we put in triple pane windows. Still some plastic up here. Got guys still working in the kitchen. We're wrapping up the kitchen remodel. Cabinets are in. We're doing the scratch coat. That's what you guys hear in the background right now. The scratch coat for the backsplash. So it's still a little noisy in here. The folks kind of moved back in and we're kind of situating stuff. We're putting in the flooring. That's the most disruptive, by the way. If you're doing a kitchen remodel or a major home remodel, your flooring is gonna be the most disruptive because you gotta take everything out and put it back in, right? So if you guys are considering a remodel, you wanna learn more about a remodel, you wanna understand what it's gonna take to remodel your place, give our offices a call. My name's Alex with Bay Cities Construction. I need you. You don't need a contractor. You need a team of pros.